Hello everyone, it's Mr. Mail with a geometry lesson. We're going to be talking about shapes, circles, squares, triangles, which you already know, and going to be focusing more on the perimeter and area formulas for these shapes and making sure that we have a solid understanding of this for future lessons. Also going to be focusing on angles, defining angles such as acute, obtuse, supplementary, complementary, and also being able to find the degree at which the angle is currently existing. We're going to do this through three activities, one being an Edpuzzle video. You're going to watch two videos. There's going to be five, but you only have to watch two, go through the whole video, answer the questions. After that, you're going to be going on a Google drawing. In the Google drawing, you're going to be drawing three shapes, two angles, and you're going to discuss the areas and the perimeters of the shapes, identify the shape. You're also going through on the angles, you're going to be identifying the angle, and we're going to talk about their supplementary or complementary angles. And you're going to find them and find the angle at which they are at. After that, we're going to be going through a Google Forms with QR codes as a little test at the end to see how we're filling in on these different topics. The main reason you want to learn these topics is because in higher education, when you continue on, you're going to be looking more at the kind of changing aspect of these shapes, whether it's translations or trying to figure out how fast a sphere is filling up with water, or if you're finding out how big a planet is, light years away. You're going to be using all these basic things that we're building today, this foundation of shapes and angles, to be able to identify distances and the size of these shapes, and going through all this. So this is a very important lesson for you to be here for. If you're not here, it's online, so it's easy to access. And let's get right into the activities. Woo-chee!